Yeah, what up? It's Johnny. Welcome to Johnny's Whips. Thank you for joining me on another video. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on this 2018 Nissan Rogue. It's pretty easy. Let's get right to it. All right, this is the air filter right here, and this is where it's located in the vehicle, right in here. All right, that was pretty easy. So remove that part there. Saw how easy that was. Put it aside. You can see the filter there. It's not that bad, but let's just replace it anyways. You got that right there. Just unclip it. Same thing on the other side. There's going to be one there too. Okay, not that bad, but we're still going to replace it. All right. All right, so there's the old one, and then here we have the new one. Okay, so let's just put it right back in there. I think I put it in the wrong way. Yep. Now we're good. So don't worry, there's no way you could put it in the wrong way. If it's wrong, it won't fit. Clamp that back into place. On this side, you'll hear them click. And grab this part here, put it right back. I feel like this one might be missing something, but I don't know. It feels loose. I'm gonna look into that later. If anything, I'll just tape it up right here or figure out what I can do. Maybe go to the junkyard and get another piece if I can't fix it. But anyways, that was it, man. That's how easy it is to replace the air filter on a 2018 Nissan Rogue. Johnny's Whips. I appreciate you guys watching, man. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.